Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda unsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasaje kurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho teberie kende kensi uraganie bagoteberie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati aliaye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuligo busongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simigwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha, kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo watu wote na
Mwanchumo ligerali lituko nelia Jumanne tariki 12 cy'Omutyeni wa gatano na gatatu umwaka wa 2025 lituko ligocengerwa ase ensengima lituko ly'abasae megetemna Youth Day ase ensengima nabo igochinsemo ao imiensi ya Kenya lituko lyo nigabwatani abanyaka bagwesokia banyaraka bagocengera lituko lya senchira ya Mongo se ai eyende ase county ya Kisii nigo muyogo nyaraka bagokoreka ase egetikia gusi stadium nabo igo Kenya ngima nigo muyogo nyaraka bagokoreka ase chinsemo chie county ya Kakamega unayanda mango mwanju murigana na kwaliganira se kiunga chinsa ibere emagorobe magoroba ya lero chini ngongoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri utokubwatira na kuranza mimenyererio nigakorwo kwa Wilson Makoli litangana kigima aya na arayu na kwariganirie ase ekionga chinsebere magoroba ya lero
to link them to job opportunities and many other opportunities which are available for them to be able to be the change makers of this nation.
Rituko ria basaye gochengerwa chinsemo ime yenzi ya Kenya nase umuchibo songo ime hegetikia Gusii Stadium.
Obo manyo bonge nyene isemi ba chorwa mbabwate isemi chingia icho manyi in the various fields of their public life.
Abamenyi be wodi ya Krenyo ime bunge ya North Mugrango county ya Nyamira kubwatuka ebirengerero byabo igoro y'abachori boke obogo chakwareganirwa omutienyi oikomina limo omwaka oyo.
It comes to around 30,000-40,000 are enrolling. So my take is that by the time we go to the election, we'll have nearly 35-40 million Kenyans.
Mokonyi bo muraibenzi musika Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki kulia ira na kwane kia munani gaba Kenya banke baganda kulikia insi omorobelio osha. Rigalia kionga chinsebere nigotogo chakurwa ase county ya Kisii asitokomya muna abasaye nigoba sokiri tukulia lero guchengera tukulia abasaye ase egeti kya Gusii Stadium ase boigo abasaye banyara kwa bakwereri bagalia bene na kubolia serikali kunyaka bagabo kubasira ase okwegendereria ase enchira eyemo gose eyende muri kito Daniel Ontiri nigekerana ase omayigoyo na gotwaleganira orobotiro kubwatia
Chingaki ense ya Kenya yalinge gochengira lituko lia basaye Gusii International Youth Day ili gochengerwa kero mwaka chitariki 12 cy'umutinyu gatanu gatatu uruburiyo nigoragwa n'umurai wense Dr. William Ruto ase county ya Kakamega asabago umuyiga ongabuno yo we county ya Kisii okoreka sigeti kya Gusii Stadium ime yomochobo songo nekirenga mono kyogosugume byewa byebasaye ligwe kini ya kibugima.
We have been having a number of activities for our youths and we have impacted them positively for all the activities that we have held. As a Kisii County government, we have been at the center of coordinating this week with the support of a number of partners who have really supported this event.
Asegeti kiga abasaye nigo bakwanirwa igoro yokwebwata buya asa masomo asebegwa na samangana yegedini boigesegeto igoro yobuya bugwetanga kurwa subotumeki wa marioko yogotindia nobosalia wechingencho ao.
As the youth, we are the voices of this country. Our tomorrow's leadership depends on our hands. So let's make appropriate decisions that will deliver our country to its optimum level.
Aiga boigo balia bale ne biewa au nigo benyorera libaga lioko biorokia. Nichinga kecho koboligwa kwabekwa nabasaya baiga wosirwa ne serikali.
We are so happy to be involved in the International Youth Day here in Kisii. The youths have learned a lot and they have also been able to connect with many other people who are able to link them to job opportunities and many other opportunities which are available for them to be able to be the change makers of this nation.
Balia bakonyekire kuruase umuruburiga boigo batebaiga.
Nimekuja kushow off talent yangu ku Gusii Stadium siku ya wanayuthi na nimeweza kupata sponsorship ya kurekodi nyimbo zangu na ajira. I really thank them. Mostly utapata hata girls what they don't notice us. Na sijiona kama kuna rapa Mkisii msichana wako somewhere lakini hawajajulikana, but thanks to ajira wameni notice.
Kuruboterega taseni kyaga tembe kurega se county ya Kisii litrane ngurukwo Daniel Ontiri.
Rwase kaunti ya Nyamira muyego yuo ni gonyara gokoene kigwa gose gokorekana ase wodi Nyansiongo na ni gonyara kwariganirwa ne kyombekamenyekete na Community Initiative for Change and Development CIFCAD na boigo bakubwatana na Mone Factory ya Nyansiongo na boigo wizara ya basae korwa ase kaunti yuo ya Nyamira.
We are trying to see the best way possible that youth can also be included. Youth as partners in that process. It's a project that seeks to bring about leadership or to foster leadership that is inclusive, transformative, and accountable, enabling women, youth, persons living with disabilities, and politically marginalized groups to exercise leadership and to participate in leadership and decision making. We want to see more assertive youth, more confident youth, more youth who are able to take up leadership positions and participate in decision making. It's about taking advantage of the trainings that are available. Here at our TR Voice, we have a curriculum with various topics that we train. The county government has got various activities where they train youth. Currently, there is the training for artificial intelligence education that is going on, and applications are going on. So those are the opportunities that we want to present to us today.
Our TR Voice give me that confidence and made me believe I can make my own decisions.
Mimi sikuwa napenda kuongea na watu. Lakini kwa saa hii kwa kijiji huko mimi naongea na watu, vijana na mobilize vijana, napewa nafasi hata naongoza vijana.
Let us get the skills that are required. All of us cannot go to university to study a degree, but we can begin from the skills that are available. I need my hair to be done, not a graduate who will do my hair, but someone who has done the skills from a friend. Can you go online and apply instead of you chatting, doing emojis and all that the whole day, going to a bit, I don't know what. Use that kidogo too. Can you make something positive to yourself?
Mwajigo amwanene wensengima kuchengera litukeligalia basae nigo nyara kabo kwaliganirwa ase county ya Kakamega uyo nyara kabo kurawa amo nomu gafana bwe county ya Musike Fernandes Parasa naboigo mwasiri bwe chigosoli naboigo abasae Musike Salim Mufuria egatia bara abanda abange banyako bakwendera kurwa obosemia gochia ase abasae chingira aho bwente kwe bwata boronge naboigo magega yaje nigo umwego mura ibwense Musike William Samuel Ruto na era nyaka bagawikirana ase omayegoyo.
Tambua ya kwamba vijana ndio wengi sana. Over 70% of the Kenyan population ni vijana. Nao ndio uti wa mgongo wa taifa letu, lazima masuala yetu tutulie vijana katika shughuli zetu.
And to the young people who are here, this is an opportunity for you. Take the opportunity that comes your way very seriously, because it will never come again. Being a youth is a transition. You have 17 years to transit from youthful to the other age bracket. And this is your time to build your foundation as you transit as a youth.
Jamii wakiwa kila sehemu ya nchi, ni muhimu kukumbuka kwamba wakati ndoto hizi tunaweza kuzitimiza tukiwa vijana, tunazitimiza tukiwa na taifa la Kenya ambalo limeungana, taifa la Kenya lenye amani, taifa la Kenya lenye miundo msingi ya kuweza kuheshimu sheria. Ni katika mazingira hayo ndio vijana wanaweza kufaulu. Haiwezekani kwa mtu yoyote kufaulu kwa ndoto zake za kimaisha katika mazingira ya fujo, katika mazingira ya kejeli, katika mazingira ambayo pia hayawezi kuruhusu sheria ya Kenya. Kwa hivyo tunavyoenda mbele, tunataka kusema kwamba fursa zitakuweko, fursa zitaendelea, vijana watashirikishwa, vijana tutazidi kuzungumza lakini la msingi tuwe na nafasi ya kuwa na Kenya iliyo na amani, tuwe na nafasi ya
na gukwa na somo yego yuo umuraibu ense musike Dr. William Samoei Ruto nigo atogia abasae ase umukia obo bagendete koimukieri kwagacha ense ya Kenya naboigo nigababolia kubeka omorembe naboigo kweneke banango bwatira nabale asate babona nerebuja abasae bae gwicisemi cisaine nainde barindwe kurwa ase biria biranya koba bikobasalia gose koba tutukania naboigo kusalia na goswana na amagimabo.
The single most decisive force that will shape Kenya's destiny is not oil, is not gold, or any other natural resource. It is the young people. For generations, young people have been referred to the leaders of tomorrow. But our youth are the builders of today, the architects of the future, and the driving engine powering Kenya's rise to greatness. I have seen it in many places. I have seen it with the Harambee Stars. That is why I am deeply honored to be here in Kakamega County to celebrate the energy, the creativity, and the resilience of our young people, and to harness and amplify their immense contribution to our bold national transformation agenda. Our Constitution commands us to equip young people with relevant education and training, to guarantee them opportunities for association and representation, to open doors for their political, social, economic, and cultural participation, and to protect them from
amatuka make magega yekiombekeria obochori ne chimbebe imeyansi ya Kenya IPC koene kebuna obochori boke mbochi gokoreka as chinsem annamono as chiwodi eli yekerenyo nyamaiya amo nedi nyansiongo ime ye county Nyamira igatia amenyi kurwa se wodi yu yekerenyo gose wodi yekerenyo nigobeso kire na kubwatuka ebirengere byabo as abaraya bali baragani banyaka bagochorwa chinga kyo obochori oburanya kaboko koreka obochori obu nigobora chigokoreka chitariki 25 chiomotienyi oikomira limo omwaka wiga munagotumanya omorikito Polycarp Okara
ejinga kia Bakenya bange bagenderete kunyaraka bakuganya washuli bobo ke bwarubiri yuch kunyaraka bakorekana chitariki 25 chiomotienyi oikomira limo omwaka wiga igate bamenya begakora sinseme chiga chiwadi ya Ekerenyo nigo besokire na kugendera kotebabuna nigo barachi kunyaraka bagochora abarai na nene bali babwate amagani abo asenkoro yokugendereria amagenderero atigetwe amono yochura koba amonogeri bwebunga ye county ya Nyamira omuske Thaddeus Nyabaru
tochoro murai gochine to represent kuna basae made kake wono yabere ya jenisi igona to to murayo goje gotoruta odo gwakiriza abantu bari bagochikobori chukura batware obotere ruobo obuya to tware buruguru ende yose nako basaboyo ndo bonsi ora choru ntora monere kende kento to tubune kerenya gwodi to nyoro murayo muya
kurengana munaba menya baigani go batebire gatichi baranchiro chibonete korongeigwa nabo igo kobori murayo ratkunyara kabaga gochorwa ane kibunango tabukera matenganya igabwikiranu elyo kubakonya abange babo abo bale ase sector ya bodaboda
omugambyo ito takio sinyabaru kuna kwa kina ande to kwate sito nyoro mugambyo muyonkaye to korega asiengia ekogera bari chikwatige njera egere torenga kichikogendera
kurende asinsemo yae huyo bwesokire kurwase wadi yigakoboria ekeruge kigasirita Jeremiah Ongaro nigo agendere ko bagakoro kyo kwigena kwayo cyase kyumbikiri kyabo kiremo n'ikimbebe kya IEBC ekyo korengana mona kerokyo atebire kiratkunyara ko bagakwenekya obwasyoku asobochuri oboboke urubiri gokoreka
IEBC na beko batu unfair because buna bono iga aba murorigereria profile ya bari bonsi bachorwa n'abantu obwato obumanyi obonge nyene isemyo bachorwa mbabwate isemchingia icho umanyi in the various fields of their public life, and they know and they have seen that even the past base bakora magoso ense kiromo Kenya igarigereti nganinki chimilioni chonzi gigorigera over 45 million mpaka ni fairness as kirase erinde obochori bobo bwekene
Asinsemo yende nigagende ko bagakubagania bali baguchikunyara ko bagwesoke kurwanira ikiruge kiga kwene kibunango kora bali chi campaign chire chomorembe elio kwene kyobotero na gochoro murayura abakonye kwegendereria kurwase binyoro au
asoyo minta tigerete na intutunya ka batogusuki kurwororo ingakiye nke tigarite tokonye ase jizukuru cheito ase isemi cheito tokonye asobore mibweito tobwaterana nyoena saba director baro tigaje campaign turakori campaign chobwororo aji campaign chiana una Jeremio Ngaro njana goikango togo ikaji campaign chokorama inkeringa we sell policies chi policy abantu bagore bomanyenga gitogo chigokorere gasie indi tokore chi campaign chobwororo chomorembe abantu baito bachoro abategneri babo omwemisi obwekerenyo asomorembe ebe Xmas gift for this year.
Ningana bwego yasingerwa munega tabamenya abiga abo baganire obotwerero kwene kiwachinga kichichi campaign asebagi kiri bali barachikanyaraka bagutwara kibura buru
bono gento tware kurwania mono tochoro murai oliora tokonye naendo oliora ikenonya na bantange tarigererio muntu bwati kibesa arigeriba ko muntu yonse gaiga elinda makonye
inko reporteri gitasini kya wanchite kya gatembe kurugiga sinseme chigache wadi ekerenyo bunge ne ya North Magarange county ne ya Nyamira inchigo nguru kwa Polycarp okara
abaraibeji kanisa chia evangelical kurwa ase chibunge chia Machoge na Bubasi nigo bamuganire muraibu ense Moske Dr. William Samoei Ruto kurigereria omwananchi asoburayibugaye kukwana lituko lya lero nigo bamuchirie egatie bikore ibya beri bikone kigwa kurwa ase serikali go chiase abananchi munago tumanyo mulikito Gilbert Kobi
inga kyamagendera agendete kurigwa kurwa sinyisagiye cye serikali kire no kunyaruko nigo abananchi abarayi amo nabo yigo basabire birengo yo konyora ibitoki gukinirwa asense ya Kenya.
President wetu au rais wetu wa nchi ya Kenya ya kwamba anastahili kuangalia uchumi wetu wa nchi ya Kenya kwa sababu umekuwa mbaya sana. Angalie mambo yale ambayo ni ya chini kabisa, the basic needs ambazo tuko nazo, yani ambazo binadamu wanatumia kama sisi wa Kenya. Kwanza angalia kabisa chakula, bei kaweza kurudi chini. Cha pili angalia mahospitali. Mahospitali kwanza kabisa, kama vile kuna wakati tulikuwa na SHA, yani tulikuwa na NHIF. NHIF ilikuwa ina support wazee ambao wajiwezi, walikuwa wanalipiwa na serikali, lakini sasa hivi hakuna hiyo. Kwa hivyo namaanisha ya kwamba aweze kuweka hiyo program ikaweza kufanya kazi aswa kwa wazee. Sisi vijana tunaweza kufanya kazi na tukalipa NHIF, lakini wazee hawawezi kufanya hilo. Kwa hivyo walipiwe kwa sababu ya hii mfumo umeingia unaitwa SHA ikaweza kufanya.
Nigo asumurubiri obera sensemo ya Mugunga na kuragwa n'ikanisa evangelical abagania amagenderero korekana.
Pesa za wazee walikuwa wanapewa, sasa hivi hawapewi. Wazee wengi walikuwa wanafurahia sana ule wakati wa uhuru. Pesa ambayo ilikuwa inatolewa wanapewa wazee, wananunua chakula. Sasa hivi hakuna, wazee wanaumia.
Naftali Musoma nigo kiri bikorwa byobo bogoria chibuku igoro ase ukungainiria gentate birebuna yesuronkero raso kwimukia umusingi koro ukungainiria
yo kubogoria ebibilia ase ngenjo yobolimo yaletire mechanda tari ase serikali yoka nonye na sense ya Kenya mwarora okubogoria no korete mechando asitokoroka sakaora likilifi bantu baito bakagendo asobokora asobolimo bakaburi bibilia banta banga bagokwa bantu saidi ya 400+ walikufa asengencho yo kubogoria bibilia singe bolimo tari amuka nonye nechise mochini muguru muntu akongaina bantu wetire bibilia muntu wali no muteigoro weruta elinda nyorobo nene asengencho igo bari bakuburi bibilia senchira yo bolimo balentire mijanda sabange
asensemo ya bwatani abo bare na bayibodi nigo bamusabira muri bwense korengereria buya ensemo y'ikisemi nabo yogochiki
naro goito koragoke aze chiskuru ogima bwato kungeire none buyale bote yakonya abana baita university ndoli konyora ente togo saba president yeito Ruto anyale gotokonya erinde chiskuru cheto tonyale gosomia abana kuna buyale ngeli tangani
abande nigo bamwandiriye muri bwense etange n'abasemi batari komo abasemi buruburunge
yeito tomatebi nga rais ntogwaka ngambia mono
ekiagera emirimo Nyasaye kobege togokora chingaki chiria nemiyere utatigarende nari koboria nga enjereri twakomanyete rais nenjereri gwacheta ase tole tari erore rero kware gwanja oira na senjereri gwacheta ase tole ingie kogera ore tofauti yarore kanire ngari kwarenga yabwika mbya kwarenga lakini bona abantu mbale bagonchokana ndi bakorukwa ngabasemia ekiagera basemia kero bakobabaya amangana na mayakoba ekero bakobababe amangana akoba mabe
nararenga maganyo yabamenyi abakichikura nabo yoba Kenya kurwa sensemo ya umachoge gurbo tegetembe TV kurwa sensemo ya umachoge maritane Gilbert Kobi
na umwancho murigereri na mange na kwariganira ase kionga chinsa ibere emagoroba ya rero kodire to kwenda sizabya kabiro tonyore engwana yeri tuko tokwera mutya kwa tokugendera ne kionga chinsa ibere toskochia
kubuguria ebibilia ase ngenjo yobolimo yaletire mechano tari ase serikali yoka nonye na sense ya Kenya mwarora okubuguria uri ukorete mechando ase tokuruka sakaora ari Kilifi bantu baito bakagendo asobokora asobolimo bakaburi bibilia bantu abange bagokwa bantu zaidi ya 400+ walikufa ase ngenjo yokubuguria bibilia singe bolimo tari abuka nonye nechise mochini muguru muntu akongaina abantu wetere bibilia muntu wali no muteigoro bweruta elinda nyorobo nene ase ngenjo igo bali bakuburi bibilia senjira yobolimo balentire mejanda sabange
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nibwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simgwe trase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
na mwanjo mo rigereri karibu togenda senzema yiga ya kabere yekeunga chinsa ibere ingana yogo chake wako University ya Nyamira nigo yajagetigwe omwaka bwekiri bubere na 15 nomo no mugavana omutangani bwe county ya Nyamira omosike Nyagosira John Obiero Nyagarama kurende gwikira harero iga nigengane ejo eregendete kukwanirwa nabakwani abange na nigegendete koreta amaberera age siasa ase enga kintambe lituko lya rero ase kenyoro kya egesieli meyegodi ya Nyamaiya chinga kichie omoyiga bwoko mwenia omosai Humphrey Mung'are mobegi nigo omwanasiasa kumanyikata na Dr. Emily Nyagarama oyo ligetio ekerogo kyobogu marebwase county ya Nyamira anyara kabaka gukwanira eng'aneyo munagotumanyia umulikito Fatgad Gisemba.
Heng'ana yokoretwa kwe University ya Nyamira nigo yachagete omwaka bw'ekirububere na 15 n'omugabana omutang'ani Nyamira Nyagusira John Obiero Nyagarama korende gwikira rero iga nigo abarahe anene kurwase ekaunti eyo ya Nyamira babere bagutatwara okwigwana gati yabo igoro ye University eyiga
nje tunachete koligigasi igatebetenga university abantu barwanire bachire kotini bakorire bintu Nyamira inabaki wapi nyuma.
Aseri tikoria rero asekenyero kya egesieri imeye wodi ya Nyamaiya chingaki chebirero byokomwenia umusae Amfrey Mongare Mobegi nigo omwana siasa Dr. Emily Nyagarama oyo ochorwa n'omurai bwense kogenda ase University ya Bomet eryo gokora oboringoria kuna university eyo egenderete eryo guchakya ya Nyamira.
Mpango yenye baba yangu alikuwa ameanza Mugaka Nyagarama Mugwanjani kole Mkorwa ndonde lakini bono iga lazima tukubaliane kwamba pia sisi ni wa Kenya na tupate maendeleo. Mimi president alinipatia hiyo kiti ndio nione vile Bomet inaendelea nilete wapi Nyamira.
Kukwana boigo asomunyiga oyoiga nigo Emily Nyagarama asingereire buna ere nigo araje kubwatesia serikali eregeti uika Nyamira yanyorire university.
Abantu bantu pibako nyibintu beiga maisha ita change. Abana baita chinombe chimukwaga chagaiga ita change. Ngaki abantu maratebenga ngabano yuchire one time ngabano yumotige siasa ni mambo ingine. Eye nega sinate betiwe eye mo ngokora mwana uche chintoke njiri konga sana tuka chintoke gari esikimu chinyinge na inde tikachibe mbeke elioki netoboke nete abantu banyamire
Hensemo yende nigo regional coordinator w'ikiama kya UPA kurwasoro gongo rwa Nyanza James Nyakangi abasegeta basae kubwata ibibande asobonge naboigo baria ebyabo byasirire kwena kyabona konyora bare ibibande puna enjira eyemo yokwero beria bwikiranu bosyo bobachori obonene bore bosyo
onde naro tabwati ekibande mbora mumaite twaiwana buna bagusi around ye na indo torali yo brai wense talibo injeni njo mondo boko omatiani ochimata Nyanza nare go basabaiga kiro mondo atware ekebande aba murabaito bare 18 years yenda mubwate bibande nonde ekebande kya asiribe njo ndigi nonde town yari twende Huduma Center gwakanere yewe 2027 muimoke mwese pi twakere matiangi airo brai wense nali abagusi barakonyeke tekolo byego
ingo reporter gatembe korwaiga egesieri imeye wodi ya Nyamaiya ebunge ya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira Fatgad Gisemba.
Yamate ya Petrus Kemuma korwa ase ekenyoro kie karantini wodi ya Gesima ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba oyobeire getanda ase geka kie miaka 15 nigereneki ekogokera magiga iyo kubwatokerwa wheelchair iyo erachi komokonya ase ogotukigwa korwa nseme ya mogochia ase yende korengana ne amateye nigo babeire bakorigia obokonyi korwa sabantu abo moyo muya gose obomoyo bukwanja elio konyarakaba bakoba konya kureneti banya konyora amatunda nigo omwakiri Filemon Morara Apiemi oyiboigo ore omwana siasa korwa se county ya Nyamira asokia na kwemuki getambokero kyo gyogokonya amateyo wheelchair yo munagotumanya mulikito Paul Cup Okara
Nkuikaga igase kinyire kigagia karantini ekigotokemeye wadi ya Gesima ebunge yega yabo Kitutu bwa Masaba asitokonyole biche nyene yomwingina Petrus Kemuma gakwamba no goche isiko emirimo bagendere ko bagokora asigeke ky'emyaka 15 yaherire. Petrus Kemuma nigo alimarete uyu utari kunyara gutara nabo igo okwamba no kurunyomba goche isiko yento abamatabaga bayareire enjera batemire kuri obokonya samatuka magakurwa saba rai ao kurinde byonsi bigaka amache uruhe
umungino oyo ochandikire emyaka 15 kumubuguri kuru nyumba na ndi kumubuguri koirana nonye nekere embura yature nigo tokorora obororobone
abana babaye bakorire emirimo emiya buna bono igo mwana orita muno mongino yarega n'abantu banzoni nigara ari omonto amokombo twaratemire kuri abeshimigwa bange sana ege kana twarigirie ange myaka ebere migima togoeta twang'aino
nakyo gikogera omuwakili asereta murara apiemi uyu bwaterio sana bigoramo n'amabebe guchase binyoro aoimeye county Nyamira amubwatokere wheelchair eyo eratkunyara kwa bageko bakonya kumurusia isiko na bigo kumuira nyumba egendo kiratkunyara kwa bageko rorobya emirimo yabo asebago kere getambo kerekeiga urabakorokia
twatebire ng'ambu ya mono naende twarorire ng'ekeracha gutumurora amaiga na intu twabeire no mogoko monene naende twamuganeirie amaya naende agenderere gukonya abande buna ababona akonyire twise konyora uyu ndu orabete nkoro bunaye bari bakwiru gotokonya na guturigi muna bono gwaturigiri pakama nigo turaigu buya naende nigo turarore buya lakini bono ndoche ng'a nonche ona agoka ona ranga bona atara egekogera bono yatuguswereire kumubuguri gochinyomba komosoki kuru nyomba kumuira ni gocha gwoterera omugaso negento kiamana
lakini ubone keroge na ndangeri kuru moinari ni gonko minyoka mubwate muna na mubwata kuru nyomba igombi yamono mose ni gwase moko gende bigocha birare bono no tubabwate tumushimiwa
lakini arorire ng'ana goka nande nagoka naranga natene nasengenje ya mabira ino no wancha kwino no gusiboka kwino kuruchinkaro chino akimbia mono asengenje omwishimi mbia mono na bali mwensi bali mwatwarira mabiraya nande nkubasaba akimoro sagokonya mogendere gokonya banga buna bamotukonsi na inu kerinya morigeti nyasaye tako barina
nomurubiri okurengana muno mwakili yigamurara PMA atebire agokora guchase abantu bali babwato kuganya kwa bene ase binyoro aoimeye county Nyamira elio kubasira na barabu kumenya buna abakenya bande
otuanya walete report yaye buna chandikire for over 15 years twamoretere kirogo egerenere atuare mobility program eye igotoko yakore county ngima buna bono ekorotoko nyore report buna etwanyora igotoko koro mupango twarete kirogo tweresa na gegotumeka nandi twasesie need buna netagete kirogo buneki igo bari bande bonsi babwate okugani buno oko nabo bagotokwanera ase tokonyara nabo togokonya
ingo ripoti rigetasini kya wanjite kya katembe kurasi nseme chiga chama chuririati echo chigotokemeye wadiga ya gesima ebungane ya bugitutu bwa Musabe county ni Nyamira inchigo nkuru kwa Polycarp okara
omokonyi b'omurayi bwense omosike Professor Abraham Githure Kindiki nigo anekire buna serikali nigegerete okorera abakenya bonsi amagendero okwana chingaki asanga n'abajumbe korwa achinsemo cha North Eastern omosike Kindiki boigo nigamenta buna nigo abakenya bagendete kwelikia asobonge insio morobeli osha munagotumenye molikito Dipon Asanya
Lituko lialero asetaro yomokonyi b'omurayi bwense Kithure Kindiki gocha asensemo ya North Eastern igaomerana n'ababunge bensemeyo asenchire yamo yogokwanira igoro y'amagenderero gukwanekerekyo mokonyi b'omurayi bwense nigatebanga bune serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nigo bagenderete gwikirania amagenderero chinsemo ao imeyense ya Kenya wantilia konde gotayo.
I'm a great advocate of inclusion, equity and the indivisibility of Kenya, and I believe every part of Kenya needs to be treated equally, and the places that have lagged behind needs affirmative action from government.
Ase ministry y'abachano nigo batebanga mobaro omonge bwa Kenya nigo genderete komenteka ase bali bagenderete kwelika ase universal health coverage elio koene kianga nkonyora bali obokoreri obuya anene koene kianga nkorinda bali sector y'abachano.
The discussion now is and every day about 50,000 new Kenyans, 60,000, 70,000. On weekends, it comes to around 30, 40,000 are enrolling. So my take is that by the time we go to the election, we'll have nearly 35, 40 million Kenyans with a medical cover. That's not a small measure.
Komenta na yueni gatebanga barabubune serikali omukyobo munene noko ene kyanga omurubiri yoiga ngochiore ko babwo bokonyi kujasaba Kenya bonsi.
It's not whether it's good or not, it's perfecting it, making it work better. And we can see some of the interventions that have just begun now, I think last week, with the medical equipment for the lower hospitals in level 2, 3, and 4. That if we can put diagnostic equipment in those lower level hospitals, and then also the changes that we are making on the supply of medical drugs, so that we don't send drugs to counties. Because county headquarters, you create another bureaucracy. So now we are aligning medicines to the institution.
Kago kwanira oborai buyo kabeire omorai wense okane omoske Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Nigo aenegetie ekerengo kia Kenya konyora chistima chinsemo ao imeyense engarabate banga na barobuo bune serikali ya Kenya kwanza nigo bagenderete gusuguma elio kiroyomo anyare goikerwa.
Increment in terms of household electrification in the world in 10 years from 2.7 to 8.9. Now, President Ruto has removed now that amount from 2.7, from 8.9, now to 10.5 as we speak. And I think in another 1 year, another 1 million. The target is the entire 15.6 households in Kenya to have power by 2030.
Maiga ya yue abara ibenseme yue nigo bagokera emirobilio ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza asibagote banga nigo esentunde yeiga babiri bakonyora amagenderero buna batakanyolira samatuka maega.
We want this government to come back, and we want all those projects and programs to take off. And for us, for the first time in 63 years, now is when we consider ourselves the citizens of this country.
Koripoteri kitaseni kia ukia ketembe litera na igonkoro kwa Dipon Hasanya.
Na umwanchumu ligereri amariganyo igoro yokuri kwa banyanyimbo nigo agenderete yo nengwana yo muwaziri w'uburindi bw'ime umuske Onesmus Kipchumba murukomeni oyu oikerana ase county ya Nakuru ase umusangerekano w'uburindi oyu maikatabuna jukwara usalama nigo amentabuna nigo murubuli oyu orachekoba oyubwa wene no bwasioko.
The concern, I just want to say that we will always strike a balance in terms of what the Commission can do and what the National Police Service can do. Identification of able men and women to serve in National Police Service require certain level of expertise on the part of those who are doing so, and therefore we cannot wish away the role of the police officers themselves in terms of identification, scrutinizing, and hiring of police officers. We can also not wish away the role of the Commission as retaining overall oversight authority. So the balance can be struck where the Commission can put in place the policy framework, the qualification standards, and then the identification can be done by the NPS itself based on the directives that have been done by the National Police Service. So if you ask me really as the Cabinet Secretary, I don't see any fight, especially because I will be the one who will now have to look at the regulations and transmit it to Parliament. So before I am satisfied that the regulations are capable of being taken to Parliament for adoption, I promise you that I am going to ensure that we strike a balance between the role of the Commission and the role of the police service itself. The same way what's happening between public service and different cadre of officers. Some have been delegated to ministries to hire, even though the National Public Service Commission retains the overall responsibility. So there is, I want to assure Kenyans that there is no cause for alarm. As the Cabinet Secretary will transmit the regulations, this public participation that is going on is very important, and based on the views that we will receive from the officers and from the public, we are going to strike a very good balance. And to start with, I have a meeting tomorrow with the Commission and the IG, and then we will work together until we find a solution.
ababwatani be kiama kia DAP Kenya inse yoburai gose inse yoburai bwe kiamekio omoske inse yomurai bwe kiamekio omoske yuchine Wamarua nigo litukulia lero baumirana ase okotema gokeania na gukwanira iguru kungusana no kukwabere gokoenekwa ase kiamekio bagukwana nabaliki bamang'ana abarayabu nigo banekibuna nigo barachi kubwatirana elikoenekebuna ngungusera bale amo buna ekiama musagaraga yo nigo ikiranwa amo nabarai bonsi ibubo bwatiraneti abakonyi be kiamekio bakurawa amo no mukonyi bo mugavana bwe county ya Kakamega omoske Ayubu Savura nabo igo mukonyi bwe kiamekio ibo igore mugavana bwe county ya Trans Nzoia omoske Chochi na Tembea.
30 days we'll come out stronger, we'll come out more united, and we'll come out more democratic, because what we are seeing today is democracy in action, and that's why we are called the Democratic Action Party. Kwa wale wote wanachama wetu, tuambia chama kiko imara. Sasa kamati imeteuliwa, tutawapa nafasi mwezi ujao, wiki kadhaa, washughulikie yale masuala ambayo yako mbele yao.
Kulikuwa na masuala nyeti kwenye chama chetu ambacho NEC leo imeamua kuweka kamati ya kuenda kuyatatua hayo masuala, kwa sababu we don't want to gloss over issues. Kama kuna issues zijadiliwe vizuri, zimalizike, alafu to focus on things that matter. We want to clean up our house as we prepare to take over the reins of leadership of this country. Na tumekubaliana kwamba lazima chama kikuwe na internal democracy, and sisi sio chama ambacho kina criminalize wananchi, na kila mtu anapewa fair chance. Tutaki kama kuna masuala ya nyumbani yaongelewa kule nje, ni masuala ambayo yatatatuliwa within the house.
Kirabu mancho muligerali no tugukorera mang'ana mayeke unga chinsa ibere magoroba ya lero nche nigongoro kwa runi ototo nyangiri tubwatana kwanza mwimenyerio nigakoro kwa Wilson Makori naboye kuransa ya transmission nigakoro kwa DJ Atsa nigose Kevin Ongeri magaji kamera nigo arenge Wilfred Matundra genda ko twara obuligerali buyemya Tembe TV ekionga kema musi tumena chinsa inye ase amang'ana mayeke unga chinsa inye ase njere wekira.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Tembe, ninjo Dorome, mang'ana mazi, bagina ninjo.
Konya na mbule gotu, bironje bikumbeo, na umugusiate bete matekara murumbe geku. Umuntu uri murumbe lirumbo maite mambi ndirio konya liko saria mang'ana. Ndirigiya, igo murumbe nuri utakorengerere tibuya, ero kona ko karokendo se mugondo kwako na koendo na kome bindagara yao. Usona kuligiri bintu byona guite bikoe aira bona motekerege kukamyo tigana guite bikoe ibya to ba gutiganga bona tini kugora ngombe ngabono uyo ngano guitale gorengo korali aho gendete gukora tekara murumbege ku konye na mbure gutwa bironje bikumbe winekeronje
Baraka ninjo, ninjo Tembe, ninjo Dorome, mang'ana mazi, bagina ninjo.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiria amabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yetu nigo engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate team Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye cyugo kwarigania na boigo cyo tebererie kindi gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asa mabati ali aye chigage emerongibere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukonyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyaraka bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyareka bo kwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchani warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucyo go busongo iyo irange neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone